Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's Tuesday morning, March the 11th, 7:35. We've got the jobs report in a few moments, and we're also talking recession. Let's see. We're just waiting for that event to happen. We're talking with Steve Leeson this morning, looking at the jobs report. That comes out in 25 minutes. We've got a bit of a green day at the moment. Don't expect it to say green for very long, though. Let's keep our eye on our jobs report as it comes out. Stand by. If you've just tuned in this morning, welcome to you. Tap the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel, and welcome everybody to this morning's show. All right, let's get into it. We're just waiting for that to start. Let me grab my cup of tea out of my proper mug. If you've not yet got yourself a mug, martynlucasshop.com. There you go. There it is. Wonderful. Signed. Giant mug for you. Cheers, everybody. Lovely. Lovely, lovely stuff. All right, now don't expect it to stay green for long. It might do, but I don't see it. I think there's more downside yet to come.
Closer and closer to the market.
Let's have a look at the recession
of,
this morning. Let's have a little listen
selling
here.
Or I can't believe you'd sell into strength of 100 points after a 900-point loss yesterday, but the momentum is clearly
I'm not selling,
not
selling anything. I'm just holding my
positions. Got a long
positions.
session. Maybe something could change. There's
Waiting to buy more on the 21st
4.219
in 10 days' time, 9 days' time.
If that wasn't being read as growth concerns, that would, be a positive at some point for mortgage rates and consumer loans and everything else. But at this point, it just seems to indicate that maybe there are fears, growth fears, or even recession fears, which whipped through the markets yesterday, it says here.
No recession as far as I'm concerned.
Steve Leeson joins us now with more on the chances of a recession.
Let's talk about recession. I don't see it.
Also combined with the latest small business optimism survey. I mean, I don't, the president, if he says, yes, there will be a recession, no, I guarantee you there won't be, it doesn't really matter. Everybody's got an opinion, but I think people are holding out the hope for a Trump put. And if he acknowledges that there might be if he's not going to do anything, that's different than, oh yeah, if I see 5 or 10%, I'm going to call off the tariffs. That doesn't sound like it's going to happen.
Yeah, Joe, there's a sense right now that this idea that the president would tailor policies to the reaction of the market, that seems gone. But let me talk first about the NFIB Small Business Optimism Survey. It fell for a second straight month while maintaining some of those post-election gains, but uncertainty remains near an all-time high. The National Federation of Independent Business, their optimism index fallen 100.7 from a post-election high of 105. So it's holding on to those gains, hovering right around its long-term average. It's down a lot, like a lot of sentiment indicators, but it's not really near a recessionary level here. Expectations in the survey, they were more worrisome. The net percent of those who expect the economy to improve down 10 points, real sales higher, down 6 points. It's at a good time to expand, down 5 points, and increasing employment down 3. More so, the NFIB's uncertainty index at its second highest level ever, higher than at any time in the first Trump administration. Yesterday, Kevin Hassett, the president's top economic advisor, right here on Squawk Box, he talked about a research paper he wrote when he was a researcher in 2016 that found a higher probability of recession in the first year of an administration. Here's the data. The paper found that from 1946 to 2016, 46% of all recessions happened within 12 months of a presidential election. That compares with what you might expect a normal distribution or expectation of just 25%. Paper goes on to discuss the stock market impact from uncertainty and changing policies around elections. And this quote is pretty interesting. If the shocks to markets from recent U.S. elections have been polarization shocks, wherein the revealed platforms of the candidates are more extreme than had been anticipated, this would constitute a second-order shock to stock market returns. We might be there. In today's context, the market may be moving from pricing tariffs just for negotiations, that's what everybody said was going to happen, to tariffs no matter what. That is, it may not be uncertainty over policy anymore, but it could be certainty over what many in the market consider to be bad policy. Joe?
Yeah.
Steve, is there any way that there could be something to the notion that, the first year a president knows he's got 4, so you make some tough decisions. By the time you get to 3 or 4, you're like, I got to get this economy going and this market higher and everything else. You pull out all the stops. You might even spend money to do it. And then, like night follows day, then there's another administration, and all that largesse once again comes back down to more normal levels after the election. Is that possible?
You know who was criticized for that, Joe? Obama, right? Didn't Obama do his health care proposal?
No evidence. If you just tuned in, welcome. Good morning. We've got the jobs
he
report
wasn't
in a
spending
few
enough
minutes.
time on the great financial crisis. It worked out for him.
You're right. I was one of the critics.
With
You're
his
right.
re-election.
Yeah.
I'm not pointing the finger at you.
No, but
I was there
did.
too. I mean, a lot of people.
I did it, and I can remember to this day, we went down. I didn't think they were doing anything for job creation.
We are up.
Right at the
This is a
very
green
early days
day,
of the
but
first
don't
term.
expect it to stay
and I remember
there.
we went down and met with Valerie Jarrett. They had
Morning,
this
Carl.
rinky-dink jobs fair. Do you remember that? And we went down, and they were selling us this lip service about
morning, Octavio.
a jobs
Mike,
fair.
welcome.
It was doing nothing pro-growth
How are you,
do it,
Mike?
but it all turned out okay after 8 years. I mean, you look historically, and people think it was a great presidency.
In Obama's defense, he felt like he'd also, by the way, had to step in and
Morning,
save the
Manny.
banking system.
How you
So
doing?
he was doing that part, running the TARP and that kind of stuff. But more importantly, Joe, I think this idea, the administration insists there is candy on the back half or good stuff on the back half.
Jobs report in 18 minutes.
You get the tax cuts, that kind of stuff. I'm a little concerned, Joe, that the market thinks these tariffs are overwhelming. And the history is that most economists believe that even the much smaller tariffs in 2018, 2019 caused a manufacturing recession. What's happening potentially with these tariffs is to raise the cost of the entire North American supply chain by 25%. And if you do that, Joe, then you have to do these April tariffs to protect the North American supply chain where you just raise the price of that. So I don't think we had so many people come on our air and tell us, oh, these tariffs are just for negotiations, just for negotiations. I feel like we've moved out of that zone right now where people are like, no, there's going to be tariffs. They're going to be in place, and we have to get used to that.
We got to go, but it gets this deficit. It's not working. It's not going down. We're going to hit $2 trillion this fiscal year again. We were under $1 trillion before the pandemic. What's the is there any way that this
Good morning,
gets to
XCO.
under $1 trillion
Good morning,
next year?
Jed.
Or
Good
under
morning,
$1.5
Stacey.
trillion?
Dominic Steiger, good morning
not
to you.
without hitting the
Switzerland,
entitlements, Joe.
welcome
I think
to the house.
That's the short answer. We should talk about it. Biden, he didn't ignore it, but he didn't come up with policies that could pass Congress that would change it. There's some possibility of some tariff revenue. It's a different story. Maybe we ought to just do a whole segment on how it can happen, but it's got to come through entitlements, and it may have to come through revenue. Now you can hit me.
Stuck above $2 trillion, which is not that's unsustainable. All right, Steve.
There we go. No recession. Jobs report in 20 minutes. I've been saying this for the longest time. It's noise, it's tariffs, it's uncertainty, it's an opportunity to buy. Have we bottomed? No one knows. I've been buying it on the way down. I will in 10 days' time when I get paid. If we're still down at these levels, I will be using my money that I earn on YouTube to buy these dips rather than pay down margin. Absolutely right. I'll bring money in and maybe put some money on margin, and then the rest I'll buy stocks, the S&P 500. So absolutely, that's what I'll be doing. Let's welcome everybody else in. We've got Ian. Good morning, Ian. Richard Banks. Good morning to you. Josh Monroe. Good morning to you. Oh, that reminds me, Josh Monroe, you messaged me on Discord and you sent me your picture. I'm really glad I saw you there. So let me go into, there it is, Josh Monroe. This is Josh Monroe. I'm going to grab that picture. I'm going to save that into my photo album. I'm going to go to my photo album. I'm going to go to the bottom. There you are. And I'm going to enhance the picture slightly. I'm going to crop down the top. I'm going to bring that in there. And there we go. I'm now going to add that to my album. Martyn Lucas Mugs. There we go. Add that to the album. And let me play. Not done this for a while. Let me bring this back down here. And let's play our Martyn Lucas Mugs. That should be in the phone over here. Let me check down here. Let's have a look. My albums. Your picture's just arrived. There we go. And see all. Scroll to the bottom. There you go. All the way down the bottom. And Lucas Muggs, you should be there. And you are. Let's do a little play a memory video, which is that one there. Go to production, Sky News, and we're in business. Here we go. All right, so these are our Lucas Mugs. We've got some new members just joined. Watch out for your picture. I love it. If you are one of the Lucas Mugs, you've got one of our mugs, send in a picture. These are the mugs, martynlucasshop.com. I'll give you the link. Cheers, everybody. We've got people with mugs in 69 countries around the world, 14 languages, and it's absolutely great to see all this. Really do enjoy seeing all these mugs around the world. Amazing. There's our Virgin Galactic to $100. Still hasn't happened. Still fingers crossed. There's Stephen, look. And you'll see the one that comes in at the end will be Josh Monroe, our latest one. This is our history, our memories. Remember all these guys? They're all still watching. They're all still members. There's Bill. We miss Bill. Don't see him very often now. There's Tim Rogers, Stacy, Mike. There we go. Here's our last. Here's Sablet. There you go. There's Vanessa, Jenny B, and that's a nice picture, isn't it? Ah, there's Elba. There you go. Some great images here. These are awesome. There's Fight Channel. Look. See, he got one of his mugs. Got one of the mugs. There's Jerry. There's Jerry. Look at that. Awesome. There's Jerry again. Look, he had a couple of different mugs. And our last picture, there's Josh Monroe. Josh Monroe. Wonderful, wonderful stuff. I hope you enjoyed that. That's cool. We'll show that again later. That was awesome. So if you, there we go. Told you it wouldn't last. So don't buy this weakness at the moment. Just wait for it all to settle down. I've already bought lower, but higher as well. So I can't buy any more until the 21st, and let's hope it stays down here. But there's no recession. Got a jobs report in a minute as well. That's also setting the markets up for a volatility. Morning all, poor man, rich man. Some great pictures. Yes, waiting for my mug to get here. Can't wait for you to send a picture. Add it to the gallery. Has anyone heard from Bill at all? No, not at all. Not heard a thing now for months. Great sadness. Hi, Stacy. Hi, poor man, rich man. How are you, Mike? Good morning to you. So we've got 10 minutes to go. We're going to go through all our positions this morning. We're going to do some reviews today. We're going to do some reviews. So what we got coming up next? What have we got coming up next? Let me scroll all the way down here. Vale, Poet, Fizz, Ockler. Quite a few. Yep, there's a few on the list. So we're doing some more reviews today. Members only live stream coming up shortly. I'll set a members only live stream and we'll do reviews for you this morning. Hopefully you'll all join me for that. Rallo1, good morning. How you doing? Lovely to see you here. Right, 10 minutes ago before the markets, before we get the jobs report. That'll be interesting. Let's have a look on the markets and see what's occurring today. The S&P showing green. It's not. It's down. It just needs to refresh. Virgin Galactic up 2.37 today at $3.02. Still trending downwards. Palantir. Told everybody it was way too expensive. Was we right or was we right? Gold going up today 1%. Sensei, who bought my. I just realised I'm out of line again. Why do I keep starting the day out of line? There you go. Let's sort that out. Gold. Sensei bought my solid gold card. It's going up in value already. I love it. Amazon. Apple down 0.89. Next era energy is down. Enphase Energy 64 up today. I do think this is a good time to buy Enphase. I really do. It's all about policy, though, isn't it? What Trump's going to do. That's the only concern we got here. Coca-Cola, that's down today. I sold all my Coca-Cola and bought the S&P. J&J, Chevron Oil up 0.78. Tesla, well, Tesla's the worst performing stock on the market. Look at that. 42% this year. Elon Musk is just being abandoned around the world at the moment. Countries are just like refusing to buy a Tesla. It's terrible. If I was a shareholder now, I'd be wanting Elon Musk to resign as CEO. Carry on as chairman. Sorry, carry on as chief engineer, but not as a CEO. It's too political. It's not good for the stock. No CEO should be this political. And this disengaged as well. He's not even going to be back in the Tesla office for another year working on Doge. I mean, he's the CEO of the company. Imagine Tim Cook says, I'm going to spend a year on the moon. I mean, can you imagine it? It's unbelievable, isn't it, really? Anyway, we're slightly green again. We'll turn the studio green. But don't get too excited. Wait for the bell. I said Friday was the rally. Hopefully. McDonald's, if you get it for $2.90, buy it again. Google, 167, oversold territory. Microsoft, flat today. Nvidia, we said it would go to $100. Here we are at $106. Time to buy. I'd buy it through the S&P, though, because it's a broadening market. Walmart, down. Tilray, no value at all. Robinhood, well, obviously it's gone down because everyone's selling everything. It's no real surprise. IonQ, too expensive. I keep saying it. Rocket Lab, great, but too expensive. Plug Power. We liked this when it was 190 to 220, 190 to 220, but now 169. Yeah, you might go, that's great. It's cheaper, but it's not. It's not cheaper. The company's not the same position at all, and it's all about policy. We just don't know where that's going. Bitcoin up 1.8, 81. XRP today up 1.62. Bit of movement. Gorilla had a big sell-off. I told Vanessa yesterday, I think it was yesterday, I said, sell this now. It was still rallying. It was late to the downtrend. I said, sell this, take your profit, buy the S&P. You've made hundreds of percent since we brought you this one. I wonder if she did it. Anyway, there you go. Markets are red again. So should we just leave it red? Should we leave it red? Well, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll go neutral. We'll go blue because we're red and green like a bloody yo-yo. Anyway, good morning. Yay, reviews. Yes, more reviews today. Yep, Members Day. Try to do at least 1 or 2 Members Day a week. I'd say I can't afford to do it very often because it's very low numbers and so on and so forth, but I will do my best to always, well, I'll always do Members Days, always. In fact, we do more Members Days now than we've ever done. GDP was negative last quarter, I believe, or am I mistaken? Recession is still a possibility. GDP was negative last quarter. No, I don't think it was, Manning, but you may be right. I can't remember. I really can't remember where we were last month, to be perfectly honest. I don't know. Honestly is the answer. I don't know. But blue's the best. You like the blue, do you? You like the blue? Yeah. It's a nice colour, isn't it? There you go. Blue is the best. Right. 5 minutes to go before the jobs report. It's important. Job openings, this is. The JOLTS report.
With content to really help.
So we'll keep our eye and see what Wall Street have to say about this. If you've just tuned in, I'll give you a few links. Here's my X. If you've not followed me on X, I will engage with all my members and answer your questions. There's my Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram as well. There's the music channel. Every Friday night we have a party. There's Seeking Alpha and Alpha Spread, the software that I use to analyze stocks. You get free trials and discounts. Without my links, you do not get free trials and discounts like this, unless you have somebody else's referral, of course, but I always get the best ones. Otherwise, I don't use it. There's the shop, martynlucas.com. There's Discord, so you can talk to all our traders and members. And you can go premium for a couple of bucks a month. We make it as cheap as possible, or as inexpensive as possible. But if you've got a 1 month badge onwards, we can give you free access. But you have to get a blue badge first. There's how to become a member and the members video. If you want free stocks in the United States, Robinhood USA is what I use, and I also have Robinhood UK. If you click on those referrals, you can get free link for free shares Robinhood USA and free shares of Robinhood UK. There you go. I've given you all the links. Right. 3 minutes ago for the jobs report, the job openings, that is. And to be honest with you, I don't know how the market's going to react, because it doesn't matter if it's good or bad. It's all being overblown by noise from Trump anyway with tariffs. So to be fair, I don't know what the market's going to do, what we're looking for. No idea, to be honest with you. At the moment, no one has a clue. If they're honest, no one has a clue what's going on. Jerry and Elba, God blessings to the Lucas Aid family. Thank you ever so much, everyone, last night who joined me on the walk and talk. We'll do it again. I'm thinking the walk and talk, we should have a subject every night that we debate. Could be anything, really. The walk and talk, we can debate anything. We can pick a subject and debate it. And I'll give my views and you give your views, and we can discuss it in the chat. We can have a poll and all sorts of things. It could be about anything at all. I don't think it has to be financially related necessarily, because I think the walk and talk has its own audience now. And I think it's a good thing. And again, I told you the other day, I was so excited. I've never been under £200. I'm now £199. I've been 204, 205, 206, 207. Before I started this, I was 205, 199. That's £6. So I've lost weight. So that's good, right? That's good. Never seen 199. I haven't been under £200 for at least 10, 15 years. I don't remember when. So it's really good. Morning, Martyn. Hope you and the family are good and healthy. Yes, Dennis Keith, lovely to have you here. Poor Man, Rich Man, Jerry and Elba. You have XRP merch. Yes, we do. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we have lots of XRP, and it's official merchandise as well. It's not rip-offs. It's the real thing. We bought all the logos. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Let me show you. Let me show you. If you go over here, we've got 2 minutes to go. You can see, look, a lot of it's sold out now. Our anniversary sold out. Our AI NVIDIA mug sold out. Our pasty mug sold out. We only had one of those. That's sold out. What have we got? XRP merch. Everything's sold out apart from the latte mug. There you go. The latte mug. That's the only one that's not sold out. The XRP to the moon sold out. What do you call it? When we signed the petition, sold out. The limited edition latte mug sold out. The limited edition mugs sold out. And you know why they sold out. The other day I gave 6 away and paid for the shipping. We didn't just give them away. We lost money giving them away. Well, obviously we lost money giving them away. But then we paid for the bloody... This was Sensei's fault. He had words from me, I'm telling you. But we got one mug left. There you go. It's the XRP 17-ounce latte. That one there. That's pretty cool, isn't it? That's my latte mug. That's the big one. Got one of those left. There you go. They also come with perks as well. A lot the mugs that are more expensive come with perks. So it's martynlucasshop.com. Links in the chat. Right, let's go over to the jobs report. Let's have a look.
And kind of the reverse. And here you have that opportunity to create generational wealth on some of these stocks that are just being beat up.
All right. Everybody, I
Stand
wonder
by.
if everyone knows what those are when we talk about those puts. But yeah, that's when people say, they cry uncle, I guess, the policy guys.
Tomorrow's
Sylvia,
inflation, core
thank you.
PPI, and
Thank you. Have a great
CPI.
day.
Okay, you too.
Wednesday, Thursday.
Oh, we're going to do the futures real quick. It's turned negative.
Come down.
Didn't even make it to the open. Didn't even make it to the open. I know.
100 points up. But
maybe if we start out down, maybe
focus on the jolts.
Make sure you join us tomorrow. Squawk on the Street is next.
Stop waffling. Focus on the jobs report. Okay, we're on standby. We're waiting for it to come out.
Magnificent 7, because as of tonight, there is no Mag 7. Came up with that name, Scrappy.
Okay, that's Jim Cramer getting excited again.
Nothing magnificent about Tesla or NVIDIA.
That is Jim on Mad Money.
Yeah, nothing exciting about Tesla. No, really isn't. 50% down.
I'm Carl Quintanilla with Jim Cramer at Post 9 of the New York Stock Exchange. David Faber's on
Jolts,
assignment.
we're
After
waiting
the
for
drubbing
it.
yesterday, futures slightly red here. Several
here we
big
go.
corporates lower their earnings guidance.
No, beg
Delta,
your pardon.
Southwest, American, Verizon, Dick's Sporting Goods. But let's get right to the markets today. After the sell-off, the worst day for the S&P and the Dow since December. Worst for the NASDAQ since
We're waiting for the
2022.
jolts report.
S&P is
Still,
now in
there's
a
a delay for some
9%
reason.
drawdown. Jim, why'd you choose last night to retire that phrase?
Okay, well, first of all, I want to be constructive here.
There's nothing coming out there. Let me go to Bloomberg, see if they're covering the jolts.
We've been hanging out around this place for a couple days now, maybe a week or so, Matt Miller.
No one's got the jolts report yet. Been a bit delayed. We'll keep our eye on that. Nothing to talk about just yet. Nothing at all, in fact.
A drop of more than 2.5%.
Nothing there. All right.
Microsoft, NVIDIA, Amazon.
No one's
Alphabet,
sending the
and
jobs
then suddenly
report
it's
out.
Berkshire.
Okay. That's a bit unusual. Should be out at 8 a.m. This isn't as punctual as the PPI and the CPI, but I don't have the data yet. Let's have a look. No. Let me just tell you what we're expecting. This is the job openings. This report often comes late. Don't know why. Job openings in the United States fell by 556,000 to 7.6 million in December 2024, missing the market expectations of 8 million. This is the last report. We're waiting for the new one, and indicating a gradual cooling for the labour market. Notable decreases, gradual cooling of the labour market. Fed are happy with that. Notable decreases occurred in professional and business services, down 225,000, healthcare and social assistance down 180,000, and so on and so forth. But we're waiting for the new report. It's not out yet, so I can't bring it to you. Tomorrow's the big day. Tomorrow is core inflation, and then we have prices on Thursday, and then of course we have the political stunt, which is what it is. I don't know why they even do this. The Michigan consumer sentiment. You might just get this is basically a Democrat-run report, and basically everything's rubbish that Trump does. We need one done by Republicans who say everything Democrats do. I don't know why we even have this, but anyway, I've looked into it and it just looks silly. It's just like, let's say everything's rubbish, even if it's good. It doesn't matter what it is. But yeah, that's a bit of a noise. But that will come on Friday. But this is what's important. I said we could get a bounce on Friday. I hope we don't. I hope it carries on going down for a while, because I want to buy some more on the 21st. 9 days from today, I get paid on YouTube again, and I want to reduce my margin by a bit, but I really want to buy more shares. So I'm going to do a bit of both on the 21st. So I hope it stays down. I really do. Anyway, let's come back to the chat. Let's see who's here. So yes, Jim C. We do have some XRP merch. Jerry and Elba, do a poll on green or red day, please. Rallo 1, yes, if you are a member. These are one of the perks that you get. Start a poll. All right then. Red or green? Red or green day? Red or green day? There you go. Red, you got to pick one. There's no undecided. Red or green? You got to pick one today. Start a poll. Let's see what you think. Thank you, Rallo 1. God bless Martin and Leah, and may he help you with your health and bless you. Thank you so much indeed. That's very kind of you. Congratulations, Jossie. Good morning. Nice. Good morning, and keep it up. CR2D2. I like that. You know, my godfather was Kenny Baker, the man inside the robot R2D2. That was my godfather. Yeah, hence the name Martyn Lucas, by the way. It was a great chat last night. Thanks for having me on. Jim C, absolutely one of the best. In fact, the best. I think it was the best. We had some of the best guests on we've ever had. Seasoned professional traders. Brilliant. People learned so much. I was so proud to be able to host that last night.
That's just a pathetic organization.
You know, we'll do more of that. That was absolutely fantastic. Really, really great. Thank you, Kent, for Jim, for saying so. You got lucky, actually, because it's a members-only perk to call in. Consider becoming a member. It's normally shut down. The phone-ins are normally members-only. But last night, I was testing something, and it didn't go quite well. So you actually got on luck by chance last night. Normally, only lets members on, but I changed the settings, and it allowed everybody on. So we have members only because of some bad actors that we get. So consider becoming a member. There's the membership link. If you are on an iOS device, you need to select a browser, and we've got just coming up to 2,000 members now. And there are members-only live streams, members-only videos. You get to talk to the team on Discord. You can ask me to review stocks. You can ask me to do a poll. You can ask me to do an earnings report. There's so many things that you get as members. A lot of today we're going to be members-only live stream again. So there's going to be another one today, which is doing reviews that members have requested. Good afternoon, Kent Paranormal. Good morning to you. You'll notice everyone's got a badge. 98% of our live viewers have badges. It's higher than any other channel in the world. God bless you. Good morning. And by the way, I know that because I use TubeBuddy, and I can do all these different analytic checks to tell me all kinds of different things like that. So I don't make these numbers up, by the way. Jerry and Albert, poor man, rich man. We love you, Stacey. Jobs is expected to be 100 to 120,000. I don't know why Jobs is late. Jobs openings. Hang on, what's my expectations? The consensus at 7.63. 7.63 million. Forecast 7.5 million. That's the job openings. Previous 7.6 million. So as long as we get as expected, all we want is stability in the market. That's the job openings. GoDB. Good morning, Ninja Cowboy. Jolts is at 10 a.m. Well, why is it showing 9? Hang on. We've changed times, haven't we? We're UTC time again, aren't we? Yeah, of course. I apologize. For about a week of the year, the Chicago timeline, Central Time Zone, where I am, Dallas, goes ahead of everybody else. You're right. We're 5 hours ahead, not 6 hours ahead. Normally 6 hours ahead. Yes, you're right. I've just changed it. You're absolutely right. That's why I was out. Look, thank you very much. Thank you very much indeed. That was Steve Strobe. Thank you. You're absolutely right. Look, I'm normally 99% of the year, I am -6. I'm -5 now for about a week. And I should have noticed that because it brought everything in line to 7:30, not 8:30. Yes. At the moment, the UK thinks we're going an hour later than we actually are. So that's why our numbers are lower. Twice a year, our numbers get hit by the amount of people that are watching us. And there you go, 9 a.m., the jobs report. Yeah, the jolts. Job openings. So, yes, sorry about the confusion. Thanks for correcting me. That's the power of the family, right? I love it. We are red. We should probably go red. Sorry, Stacey. Stacey likes the blue. Elon isn't done firing vets. Wait next month. Rich. I want more time too. Let it sit like this for a while. Yes, I'm right with you there. This job report shouldn't have federal workers yet. Good morning all. Jenny B, good morning to you. How are you this morning? We're going to be members only in about an hour, doing some more stock reviews for you, finding great opportunities, new stocks to cover, and so on and so forth. If you want to be a member, it'll be a members only live stream. That's coming up later. Teresa Oldman, good morning to you. Very, very proud when we get so many ladies in. Do you know most crypto channels, which we're not, but we do a lot of XRP, they have 1% ladies. We have 13.8% ladies. Very, very proud of that. Really, really good. Good morning, Jenny B. And we all know that the ladies are the ones that take care of the money, right? And they spend, they can invest more on themselves than us guys do. They always find the money. So we should have more ladies. They know how to spend money, but they know how to organize it too. The differences in opinions and views that manipulate the market are so frustrating. But guess it's been been that way forever. I just joined Investing World about a year ago. Jenny, it's totally a game, but it's a game that you can play to win as long as you understand it. Robbie Cooper, good morning to you. Robbie, how are you? 1 year now, 1 year badge. I was talking to Leah about you a couple of days ago. How are we? Markets are crap at the moment. Does Trump know what he's doing? Well, apparently, I was listening to a Sky report yesterday, Sky News report, and every day Trump loves you to go into the White House, the press room, and hear about how great everything's going. Yesterday, wouldn't let anyone in. They were doing some signings. They had a new FBI director or something or other, and normally they'd be all over it. Especially, think of the FBI. He would have said how they saved his life and all that stuff. So it was a big day yesterday, and yet they wasn't let in the White House because the press were going to ask about the worst stock market day in years, and apparently he looks at this. Apparently, this is what he says, and I'm not political. I'm just giving you the facts. He says that he looks at the market all the time. He likes to celebrate good news, but now he's not looking at it. He hasn't got time to look at it. So I don't know. Draw that as you will. 1 p.m. here. So in UK, it's good afternoon, Bud. Good afternoon, Glenn B. How you doing? Big selling coming. Peter Pettigrew, good morning to you. Good morning, let's go NVIDIA. Am I right to hold, to buy till after CPI report, thinking prices? Look, they might go down lower. Lumber futures plunged to around 600 per thousand board feet from a year and a half ago, 658. Lumber prices are down, plunged from 600 per thousand to from 658. That's breaking news just out. Lumber prices. Are you right? Well, at the end of the day, the way I see it is this, Glenn B. You can't time the bottom. I bought the prices a year and 3 months ago. I've also been buying on the way up. I started buying heavily with margin a few weeks ago when it all started falling down heavily. And now I'm fully in with cash, fully in with margin, and it's carried on going down. So I haven't bought the bottom. I don't think I don't know. I don't know if we've reached the bottom. Nobody does. But to me, I bought higher than this, and I'm happy to do so because you can't time the bottom. But what is more important is to be buying, not to be waiting. If you wait, you might miss it. Most important thing is to be buying. I'm buying, and in 9 days' time, if it's still down here, which it might not be, I'm expecting a potential rally on Friday. If it does actually, after the CPI, but bearing in mind, we've got the Michigan report on Friday, which is guaranteed to say everything's rubbish, even if it's great. It's a political stunt. The Michigan report is completely pointless. But if it's still down around this range, when I get paid in 9 days' time, I won't be focusing on reducing margin. I'll be focusing on buying more of the S&P. So I'm buying it now. I don't care if it goes any lower. It's low enough for me. I'm waiting to buy more. Lucas Age, good morning, James 007. How are you this morning? Good morning, family from Chile, Chicago. Good morning. We've got 15 minutes before the market opens. Good morning. Do you know?
Two for Becky.
Do you know what time it is? It's time for. Yeah. All right then, mate. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. Shall we do it? Slide the microphone away. Grab my tea. Spin the chair. James, good morning. How are you, mate? Happy day. Another day in the life, mate. Thank you very much. Lovely to see you. Hope you're well. Welcome to the show. All right, let's get back to it. Female investor here, Danny M. Love listening to your channel. Danny M, there you go, another lady. Do you know what? If we carry on like this, we're going to be 50-50. We had an explosion of ladies over the last couple of months. It's great. I'm going to go and have a look now, actually. Audience. Let's have a little look. I'm going to see. Let's have a look. Where do I look now? I forgot now. Where do I look? Oh, there we go. Videos, 11, shorts, live. Yeah, it's dropped slightly in the last couple of days, but look, I'll show you. That's the last 28 days. Let me just change that. There we go. Look, this is where I get the numbers from. 12.3. There you go. So you can see female at 12.3, male 87. We peaked at 13.8 a couple of weeks ago, I think it was. But it comes up and down, but that's 12.3, really great. Most channels that cover XRP, for example, are around about the 1%. So it's really, really good. Really, really good. What can we do? And look, United States is 51%, United Kingdom is 10, Canada is 5.6, Australia 3.2, Germany 2.2. These are all our countries, look. These are all our countries that watch. Look at that. So you've got Netherlands, South Africa, India, Sweden, Ireland, Spain, the Philippines, Malaysia, Norway. Look at this. Singapore, South Korea, New Zealand, Switzerland, Belgium, France. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? How about that? Look at that. These are all the countries that watch our show. Absolutely. When you look at that, you go, that is nuts. That is absolutely nuts. It's amazing. There you go. Thought I'd share that with you. So we don't make these numbers up. You might wonder, where do I get it from? But it's all real numbers. Right. So welcome to you, Danny. Another orange man, bad stream. Another orange man, bad stream. Okay. Am I orange? Don't look orange, do I? Is it a bad stream? What's wrong with our stream? Horrible Mike. You call yourself Horrible Mike, which is a bit weird. But what's wrong with our stream? I think the studio looks pretty good. I'm very proud. I think we have one of the best studios on YouTube, actually. I don't know. It's obviously a bad stream for you. Okie dokie. Yeah, Michigan sucks. You're from Michigan, aren't you? Stacey, aren't you from Michigan? But the Michigan report apparently is all is all what's the word I'm looking for? It's all political. Anyway, we got 10 minutes before we go. The market opens. Oh my God, I'm going to a Nielsen household. I'm going to be a Nielsen household. Yay. Oh my God, I'm going to be a Nielsen household. I have no idea what that means. Please smash the like button. Cheers, Martyn. Good morning. Positive energy. Always. You need a clip on the mic for that. You need a clip on mic for that. Clip on mic for what? Oh, when I turn around. Oh, I've got mics the other side. I've got mics everywhere, mate. Yeah, I've got mics everywhere. You mean when I turned around? Yeah. I like the effect of it sounding distant. It's kind of a realist effect. I've got mics everywhere. If you look behind me, if I get out the way, in fact, I can't really get out the way. I've got microphones everywhere, all over by the piano. I've got mics everywhere. The reason why I sometimes just turn around like that without a microphone is to give that sort of realistic effect that you're moving around the studio. If you are mic'd up wherever you go, you lose that sense of realism. It loses that sense of moment. The fact, you hear it in radio stations a lot where they move away from the microphone and they go, oh, we're going over here. I like it. I think it gives a sense of reality. If everything sounds perfect all the time, it's like, it just sounds perfect all the time. I can make it sound perfect all the time, but I like sometimes when I'm doing my reviews and I want to talk to you from my chair, then I have the microphone, another one behind me. Yes, because then I want you to hear me. But when I'm just going, cheers, James. All right, mate, I'm having a cup of tea back here. I want it to sound like that. I'm drinking from my Black Rifle Company tumbler. Love it. Ginseng green tea. Lovely. I don't like green tea. I prefer black tea, proper tea with milk in it. Did the report for March come out yet? The jobs report, yes, it's no, half an hour. I was saying incorrect. It wasn't when I said it. I forgot to put my clock forward on my computer on the data on the economic calendar. So we got half an hour yet. Futures just turned negative. They did indeed. James, did you try a Panera chai tea latte? When all the morons have sold, we will go up without them. When they go low, we go high. There it is, Peter Kongstead. Yeah, I've been buying. I've got 300. In fact, let's see how much less I've got now. Ooh, God. Right, so here we go. 104, 257, 25, 28, 28, 292, $292,000. 292,000. So I'm down a bit. Yes, I'm down a bit. 292 grand, but I had 300 grand a couple of days ago. So there you go. I'm fully invested. I've been buying on the dips. I'm going to buy more on the 21st. I own 100% of the S&P 500 for integrity and quality of the show. So I'm not pumping anything. There you go. Lisa S, another lady. Good morning from you. Become a member of the family. Then you can join in all the members only live streams. We're going to be members only in about half an hour. We're going to review lots of stocks for our members' requests. Wackatroll, Josh Monroe, yeah. I mean, what's the point? Why? I've never understood the sense of it. I get up every morning and I'm excited to live. I'm excited to grow, build, engage, do something positive. Some people get up in the morning with the intent to be a miserable sod and just moan at people. If you don't like the stream, don't watch. I can honestly tell you my entire life, if I don't like something, I've never, ever complained about it. I just move on and watch something else. I wouldn't, if somebody was making a rubbish quality video, or they were talking rubbish, or they were making no sense, and it was bad quality, I couldn't hear what they were saying, and it was all rubbish, because he was basically saying my stream was rubbish, and the quality was rubbish, and I'm an orange man for some reason, even though I'm clearly not. I just wouldn't watch, On Netflix, we subscribe to Netflix, right? On Netflix, there's some really great mega movies. There's some rubbish movies as well. And when it's a rubbish movie, I don't unsubscribe from Netflix and go, that's it. Netflix is putting out rubbish movies. I just don't like that movie. Do I write on their pages and go, you made a rubbish film? Maybe they had no money. Maybe they had a low budget. Maybe it was their first film. Maybe they'll try and make a better film. Or maybe they're happy with their film. Maybe they like their film the way it was. There's a place for it. Netflix buys billion-dollar films. I'm just making that up. And it also buys cheap films, all right? Well, a cheap film is not going to hire the best people, not going to hire the best actors, the best cameramen. So some of the films are going to be rubbish, right? But there's a place for it. I mean, there's billions, not literally, there's hundreds of thousands of YouTube channels that are probably really bad quality. But the person making it is enjoying himself. And he might have half a dozen followers who enjoy his quality and enjoy his show. So, if you don't like it, just watch something else. I can guarantee you, whatever that guy's name was, something to do with nasty somebody, I don't watch your content, and I'm not going to either. So, and I'm never going to leave a bad comment either. There you go. Hi from Australia. Whack a troll. Yeah, Josh Monroe. We've not done that for a while. Orange man, bad. Orange man, bad. You're talking about Donald Trump. Oh, orange man equals Trump. Oh, I see. But you were talking to me. You were saying my stream is rubbish. I don't think Donald Trump's on my show today. Orange man, he means Trump. Oh, I see. Good morning, Stacey. Yes, I'm from Michigan. That's why I am allowed to say it. A Nielsen household gets free TV with all the channels. Then they use my choices for ratings. That's how you get... Oh! A Nielsen household. How do you get that? How do you become a Nielsen household? I want to become a Nielsen household. Hey, how do you get that? GoDB, how do you get that? Tell me how you get that. I want to save some money on me Direct TV. Told you it'd go down again today. Look at that. Don't chase it. If you're already in, I'm already in. That's fine. But anyway, valid point, said Dennis. Yeah, that's why I do it. To give it a sense of realism. Cheers from Greece, everyone. Cleon. Hello from Greece. Let me talk to you in Greek. Hang on a minute. Is it Greek you speak in Greece? I assume so. Greek. Here we go. What's his name? Hi, Cleon, and welcome to the show. It's lovely to have you here from Greece. I've been to Greece, Athens. I've run round the ancient Olympic Stadium and the new one. Wonderful people, had a wonderful time, lovely food, and welcome to the show. Welcome to the family. Ready? Here we go. I'm talking to you now, Cleon, in Greek. Here it comes.
Γεια σου Κλέον και καλώς ήρθες στην παράσταση. Είναι υπέροχο που σε έχω εδώ από την Ελλάδα. Έχω πάει στην Ελλάδα Αθήνα. Έχω τρέξει γύρω από το αρχαίο Ολυμπιακό στάδιο και ο νέος υπέροχοι άνθρωποι πέρασαν. Υπέροχο φαγητό και καλώς ήλθατε στην παράσταση. Καλώς ήλθατε στην οικογένεια.
The market, there you go. That was Greek for you. I hope you enjoyed that. We've got members in 69 countries. These are all the... In fact, I haven't got time now. We're about to ring the bell. We've got 1.5 minutes to go. I like your analogy of gold miners and selling shovels. I'm only on crypto at the moment while I learn about stocks. Would Nubank Brazil be in the new category of selling shovels in crypto? Oh, that's an interesting one. Nubank. I've actually done a review, Glenn B, on that. If you type Martyn Lucas Investor into YouTube, in the search, Nubank, you will see I've done a review on it. Go and check it out. Name Martin, Orange Man is a meme, is a name for Trump. He was not meaning you with that. Oh, okay. But he still said a rubbish dream from the Orange Man. So I didn't understand. I don't think Donald Trump's doing my show today. I don't know. Let's move on. I don't know. I'm just answering everybody's questions. I ain't got a clue. What do I know about anything anyway? Good morning. I'm from Ohio and I'm allowed to say Michigan is bad too. Good morning, Stephen. We've got 30 seconds to go. Are you ready? Good morning, everyone. Everyone's mild green, fairy liquid. Oh, yes. I love it. Okay, here we go. It's time to ring the bell. Here we go.
I think you're going to be very in sync with what I'm saying.
In 3,
I mean, I'm
2,
thinking back to that moment
1.
you had with him here at the big board. At the time, there were huge hopes for M&A. Now we have year-to-date lowest
There
level
you
of
go.
M&A in a decade.
I have really good information up to date right now on what's going on in M&A. There's a pause. I don't want to say it's a shutdown. There's a pause. There are very few deals.
Let's
There
go
were going to
through.
be many deals.
Ring the
Now
bell.
People want to wait. I know
Bet
many
again.
Deals, I mean, the pipeline was really rather extraordinary a month ago. Maybe 2 months. But it's going hold. Not done. But it is
Everyone goes
ready
nuts.
to happen.
Oh, we're going to have a green day today. Well, let's go through all our positions. Are we up? Are we down? Here we go. All right. Okay, so the overall market is down today. We've still got uncertainty. The S&P 500 is down today. We've got Virgin Galactic at 0.85. Palantir is flat, going up. Gold is going up. Sensei will like that. He's just bought my gold card. He's making money out of it. Amazon, Apple. Apple is down 1.33. Nexteria Energy is going up. Enphase Energy trying to push up. Coca-Cola going down. J&J going down. Chevron Oil going up today. 0.57. Tesla. Worst performing stock, and this all unnecessary, all Elon Musk. Hey, you might go, this is great. Because of Elon Musk in the White House, you can now buy the stock 50% discount. I mean, that's a real discount, right? Why not? I mean, there you go. McDonald's down 0.17. Google is down today. Microsoft flat at the moment. Nvidia, we said it could go to $100. It's now $107. Walmart down, staples being sold off. Concern about consumer spending. Tilray Brands down another 2.86. No value here at all at the moment. The government have got no intention of passing this. It's not even on their radar. Robinhood up 0.58. IonQ down. Rocket Labs down. Not bad time to buy Rocket Lab right now. Plug Power. Oh, hello. 2.34. A nice little bounce there on the open. Bitcoin today up 2%. XRP up 2%. Gorilla. Now, if you sold this at the top, bought the S&P, now it's going back up again. Wow. Lovely. There's the rundown for the day. Welcome everybody to the party. We got jobs report in 28 minutes time. Welcome to all of you. Calispa, Cyprus, Paris, good morning to you. The bell's gone. We'll check your review in Nubank. Thank you for your opinions and replies. Much appreciated, bud. You are a member of our channel. As a member of our channel, I will answer all your questions. If you talk to me in the chat, I will show all your comments. I will reply to all of your comments on YouTube if you send me a message or a question. If you want a review, if you want analysis done, if you want an earnings report, members only live streams, members only videos, I will reply to you on my X and Instagram. Yes, as a member, I'm always here for you. You get every single reply, comment, and valuable content. We're going down again. Another big day of drops. Are you glad you didn't chase it? Warned you. Pump on Friday. If we get a pump Friday. Not before CPI. Not before PPI. Wait. Have patience. Have patience. Have patience. All right. Just bought a lump of Diversified Energy Company. Diversified Energy Company PLC. Tommy Tinkler. Good morning to you. Bernie B, dear Martyn, since I started watching your shows, I've adjusted my investment strategy to diversify, and I'm very happy. Thank you for your work. You are my hero. Well, that's very kind. What a nice thing to say. But really, you're doing all the work yourself. I learn more from you than I've ever done from you learning from me. I learn everything about investing from all of you. What's going on? Wakar Aslam. Okay, right. So now what we're going to do is you have asked, the members have asked for stock reviews. There's things that you want me to review. The stocks that you want me to look at and see if we can find new opportunities in new stocks and answer all questions about new stocks and also promote those stocks by putting those videos out. So new people can learn about new companies. We've seen many of our stock reviews trend on YouTube and Google, and we've seen them pop. We brought you the Gorilla. We brought you many stocks that no one even knew about. We brought the CEOs live on the show, and it was really great. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to set up a members-only live stream. We do these a lot now because we have just about 2,000 members. So we're always providing new services to our members. All right. And these are a great way of learning about new stocks and answering questions. And people call in, and we have live phone-ins and all sorts. So we're going to do that now. So go live. I'm going to set this up. If you're not a member yet, you've got a few seconds to become a member. It's only a couple of bucks a month. It's just to verify scammers and bots. It's not to make me rich or anything. However, if I get 1 million members, it'd be all right, wouldn't it? But it's never gone up in price. It never will go up in price. We're adding more and more value and services all the time. Plus, it doesn't even go up with inflation. I mean, so it actually gets cheaper every year. So you can't get better than that, can you? So here we go. Schedule a stream. Let me go down to my members reviews, members day. Your questions answered. Members day, your questions, your stock analysis, your show. There you go. Right. Let me scroll down. What's the time? I'll do it after the jobs report. So we'll do this at 9:15. Members only. Yeah. Members only. Live shows. Upcoming members only live streams. There you go. So that's live shows, members only, upcoming. There we go. Right. Got some good stock reviews today as well. Hope to do about 4 or 5, at least 3. Okay. Stacey loves these. Our ladies like these because a lot of our ladies make requests on these. Subscribers. Okay, members only, all channel members. March 11th. We'll do it at 9:15, just after the jobs report. There you go. All right, that'll be set up in a second. Matador, MTDR, oil. Our oil man's in the house. Nvidia, still a $200 stock? Yep, absolutely. I think Nvidia is a $200. Yep, it is. Smash the like. It's always going to get more members. It's always good to get more members. Thank you so much indeed. Just needs time. Hello, last night I joined the Discord. Vadim Kanif. Last night you joined Discord. Wonderful stuff. Did you join? You've got a green badge, so I can't give you YouTube membership yet because you've not got a 1-month badge. But if you joined Discord last night, did you join as a premium customer, or did you join? Did you join as a free YouTube member? Because if you joined as a free YouTube member, I can't upgrade you until you get a 1-month badge. Come back when you got a 1-month badge, and I will upgrade you. But you might be a premium customer. I don't know. If you're a premium customer member, then you actually get. You get priority to all the training and everything else. We're in the process of putting a training series videos together for all of you for free. It's part of what you do for our members. Right. Just making sure we've got everything set. Yes. The Members Day. Yes, we do. All right. Okay. So we're going to be there in half an hour. Let me... set this up. I'll give you the link for in a minute. It's going to be a members only live stream, so we can cover all your comments and questions and reviews. Okay. Let me make sure that this live stream is going to go to it. We'll redirect to the members event. There you go, in half an hour. So you've got plenty of time for this show yet. All right. So here is our members live stream today. We do members live stream so we can do your reviews. It's stock reviews, your questions, things that you want to know about the market. Then the videos will be created. They'll trend in your own net, in your own stocks. So members, whoops a daisy, members event. Plus we have phone-ins for the members as well. Remember yesterday we had a live phone-in, so we do these for members only a lot. Members event today. After this. Let me just copy and paste that. Put it to the top. It'll automatically take you there. But there you go. Let me pin that to the top. Now we have a poll running right now. Let me just check the link is good. Yes, it is. Okay. Let me end our poll. That's spot on, really. Look at that. Red or green day. 232 votes. Red, 54%. Green, 46%. I am with the red. I agree, 54%. That's what I was voting for. Even though I can't vote, obviously. That's what I was voting for in my head. And we were right. And it is a red day. But, you know, that depends on what time during the day. But right now we're red. So end the poll. Let me come back to our comments and questions. Google review could be done soon. The Peckman. So we're doing 4 or 5 reviews today. Where is Google? You'll be on the next batch. You won't be done today, but we'll try and do another one this week. Got Veil, Poet. So basically, this is how it works. If you are a member of the channel, I'll give you a link right now if you want to be a member. If you are a member of the channel, there's the link. You can, for $5 minimum, ask to do a review. And if you do $5, you go on the list. And then depending on how much you bid will depend on how high up you are. Well, we've got the highest one today is $5. There's no 10 or 20. We've done all those. There's no one who's bid $6. So the next one is Veil. All these are $5. Veil, Poet, Fizz, Ockler, and IQSTL. Those are the ones that we'll do today. And then the next list is VWCE, Venom, ARC, and then Google. Now, if anybody who's on the list, because everyone has bid $5, there's a couple of 3 and 2 at the bottom, but nearly everyone is $5. If anyone outbids today or adds to their bid, you'll go straight to the top and you'll be the first review we do on the members only live stream, which is in half an hour. So if anyone here has bid $5, which nearly everyone has, if you bid $1 more, it will go up and it'll be done straight away. So there you go. Top of the morning to you, Max Morecom. Good morning to you, Vaz. Same here. What did Vaz say? Did I miss it? I'll stay for a bit, but we'll have to go back to work soon. Hello. Yes, premium. Vadim. Okay. So did you send me a friend request, Vadim? Because as a premium member, one of the premium perks is I accept your friend request because we know you're verified. So if you've sent me a friend request, Vadim, I'll accept it. There's my friend. There's my name in the chat. Send me a friend request. Do not accept friend requests from people called Martyn Lucas. They're not me. I never send friend requests. I never message you. If you send me a friend request, my name is spelt correctly at Martyn Lucas, MartynLucas. I shall accept it because you are a premium member. Now, I may have already accepted it if you've already sent me one, but I will do that for you if you are, as you are a premium member. So I know you're verified and good. So there you go. Now you're premium, you can talk to Sensei. Go into Sensei's charts at the bottom, and he does our technicals. You can also get training from Ed Nevius. Go in that channel as well, and look out for the videos that are coming soon to give you a whole series of exclusive videos just for the members. And because you're premium, you're recognized because you've got a green name and you've got a heart of gold icon. That's what it means to support the channel. You pay a couple of bucks a month to support us, so thank you. You get priority. So when there are questions, our members and our trainers and Sensei and Ed, they look out for the premium members, and I do too. So you get, if there's like 50 questions to answer, you get answered first. So that's what you get as a thank you for being a premium member and supporting our Discord. Anybody else who wants Discord, there's the friend request and there's the Discord link. Yay! Oh no, I missed everything. Love you, Lucas. Thank you for being a man of your word. Jessica, another lady. Welcome to you. We're getting lots of ladies join right now. This is amazing. I need to leave in 5 minutes. I hope to. Yes, it'll be done the next batch. Not today, I'm afraid, though. Top of the morning, Carlos Riviere, Max Corman. Hello, Vaz. Same here. We'll come back to watch at maybe 4:30 UK time. The Peckman, lovely. Vanessa had a great piece of flying cars. They are excited about it. Vaz sent me a new video. So I haven't had a chance, obviously, yet to look at it, Vaz. When I looked at your WhatsApp, it was late in the evening, and now I'm on the show. So I will go into your folder this morning after this show, after the reviews, and get to it, put it out. So it'll probably go out after the closing bell today, or it might go out tomorrow, depending on what time I get it done. But there you go. Vanessa, I was talking about Gorilla yesterday. And I was saying to you about, I hope you took your profit from Gorilla. You had hundreds of % of profit, bought the S&P. That would have been what I would have done. I'm not saying that you're going to do that, but it's back up again today, which is amazing. It was really, really great. But I hope you did actually take some profit there. Anyway, that was my message to you earlier. Right now, everyone's here. We've got 15 minutes for the jobs report. Let's bring up our our Martyn Lucas Mugs Gallery. Going to play this for you right now. You ready? Play memory video. Here we go. Here is our Lucas Mugs. Now, if you've been on our shop, it's just martynlucasshop.com, and you've sent a picture into Discord, I've dropped the link in the chat. You get a mug or a t-shirt or a hat, whatever, and send a picture in via Discord, and we share it on the screen. This is wonderful, right? These are all the Martyn Lucas Mugs, members from 69 countries around the world. My stock NVIDIA is very green, and so is Tesla so far. Yes. Look at NVIDIA today, up 3%. Ooey, ooey, ooey. Lovely. Very nice. It all got oversold. No doubt about it. Yes, we are getting closer and closer to get real life and everyday EVTOL application. Indeed we are. Lucas, you're amazing. Just got here. Thank you for being a man of your word. By the way, I missed everything. What do you mean you missed everything? You're here. I don't know what you mean. Hi, please, any forecast on Rolls-Royce? Thank you, William. Any forecast on Rolls-Royce? I haven't looked at it for a while, honestly, William, so I don't know the answer to that. Is Tesla a good buy now? What are your predictions on that? Well, Tesla, I would buy Tesla through the S&P for stability. Wouldn't buy it directly. It's too unpredictable with Elon Musk, and there are too many people around the world refusing to buy a Tesla because of Elon Musk. So it's a very, very dangerous stock to buy, to be fair. But it's certainly better at 50% discount than it was, but I'd be buying it for the S&P anyway. That's just my thoughts. And our latest mug that came in today, there you go. Thank you to all of my Lucas mugs. Absolutely love it. All the Lucas Age have got a mug. Oh, nice and green. Nice and green. I wouldn't be chasing this market, though. We got tomorrow's PPI and CPI. I'd be waiting for that. We're going to cover that tomorrow, of course, live. I'm hoping all of this... Oh, that was a weird effect, wasn't it? I'm hoping all this stays down until I can buy some more on the 21st. No, you missed that. I was listening to the Vertical Aerospace earnings this morning, and I've been so happy about an earnings call before. I've never been so happy. Good stuff. What a wild ride. Watch my money disappear in the tune of 63 grand. But I did not jump and I hold 6,400. Came back so far. But this will take a while. Yes, it will. Hi, Stacy. And that comment was to me about your comment. I was only saying how much folks are talking about flying car. That's good. No worries, Martin. I'll be sending one more video tonight about the vertical aerospace earnings call. Some very good news for the market. Thank you. You're very welcome. Thank you for being a Martyn Lucas Investor contributor. It's like being a CNBC contributor. Vaz, good morning, everyone. Scared to look at the markets. Shucks, said William. 50 minutes for the jobs report. It's now 10 minutes to the jobs report. 10 minutes, David Santos. 10 minutes, the jobs report. I'll cover it live. Vanessa, I was reacting to Martin. No worries. I will look at what you said. Tech popping. Tesla equals no. Vu Green, yeah. Hi, Zach. Sorry, Tesla is dangerous indeed. I mean the stock. Yes, I agree with you. Sell puts, then if it rises, you win. Why buy on the 21st, Martin? But because I'm already in. Juan, I am fully in with cash, fully in with margin. I bought 14 months ago. I've been buying all the way down on these dips. I'm fully in. No one could be more in than me. I've got no more money. That's as simple as that. I get paid by YouTube. That's my job on the 21st of the month. And I will be getting paid, bringing my money in and reducing my margin and buying the dip if it's still down here. If it's gone up higher than my lowest point, which was a few days ago, then I won't. But I'm about 4% lower than that. So hopefully it won't have rallied too much. I think we're going to get a rally on Friday, but the Michigan report could throw us under the bus because it's political. All right? But the CPI tomorrow and PPI, if that comes in good tomorrow, we could have a rally. My portfolio is, and it's possible, I know these numbers sound extremely high, but my portfolio could rally in a day $60,000. $60,000. That's what my portfolio could do. All right? I've got $300,000 just about in. And because I'm in margin, it doubles 2.5 times. So it's a potential on good report, a $60,000 day. But if on the 21st, when I get paid, we're still at these levels, if we've gone up 5-6%, probably not. But if we are where we are now, or even lower, I will be buying on the 21st. Absolutely. Focusing on that rather than reducing margin. Plus, Elon said he will still be doing Doge for another year. Correct. I've heard that too. Another year, not focusing on Tesla. I totally agree. You are in some good mood today, Martin. Loving it. I lost money on Joby for years. I want cars to fly. Indeed. Right. Okay. I've got a few. Jerry and Elba accepted your friend request. I didn't send you a friend request, Jerry and Elba. I never send friend requests. But if you accepted that's 2 months ago. Okay. Right. Quick Nater. Let's have a look at this person here. Quirk Nater. We're waiting for the jobs report. I've just had someone send me a friend request. I only accept friend requests from YouTube members and premium members on Discord. Let me see what you are. Let's have a look. What are you? What are you here? You're a premium member, Quirknator. Quirknator, you are a server booster, a premium member, and one of the Lucasades. Let me show you. So when you do this, absolutely, I send a friend request. Look at this. This person here, Quirkinator. Quirkinator. That's me, Quirkinator. Vadim Kanif. Ah, there you go. Quirky Nater. This is a very royal premium member on our server. This person is really helping us. He's not only one of the Lucas aides, he's a premium member. He's also a server booster. Look at that. This is like the highest level you can get. So this is Vadim Kanif. Vadim Kanif is a Lucas aide, a premium member, and a server booster. Wow. I am deeply thankful to that. So there you go. You are top priority on our server. So absolutely, I will accept your friend request. Yes. Accept. There you are. And that's absolutely fantastic. I'd like to get to know you because we're going to add. We're very new to Discord, and I ain't got a clue how it works. And at some point, we want to add moderators, people that can build out our Discord to make it better. So need to get to know you. Need to phone into live shows, get to know you before we move on that. But there you go. Absolutely accept your friend request. Thank you so much indeed. There you go. There you go. Thank you for that support. That's amazing. There you go. 3 minutes to go for the jobs report. That was me. Thank you very much, Vadim. So I'll tell you what I'll do as well, Vadim Kanif. Right? Hang on, how do I do this now? How do I do this? Oh, there you go. I'm going to add your name as well because we give you a nickname so we know who you are because I won't know who you are. So let me search for you again. There you go. This is what I'm going to do. We've got 2 minutes to go. We give you a nickname as well so we know who you are. Same name as YouTube, Vadim Kanif. There you go. See, look. Now, to me, you're Vadim Kanif, so I know who you are. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now I know who you are. Thank you very much for all your support. That's massive, that is. We're not chasing the market today. We're waiting to get paid. We're doing nothing. We're just staying in. We're not selling anything either. Hope XRP can rally this week. Well, we're watching all the wires, Carlos, for you. Shorters are entering. Let them do what they got to do. Who cares? Who cares what they're doing? We'll always win in the end. Any news from CEO Jeff on Diversified Mineral Group going IPO soon? Jay Ballin. Yes. He sent all of you who invested with his company an email. I received it. They're days away now. Did you all get the email? I did. I've got nothing else to report on the show, but he did send you an email about, I think it's about 2 weeks ago, saying they're about to complete. So I hope you got that. I can't bring you anything else at the moment. I've got no more information to share with you. XRP will go down 162, then rally. Way to help Jerry. Kaiser, I'm not sure what the question is. I don't have my next buy order at 170. Yeah, I had a friend request this morning and I deleted it as I know you don't send requests, Martin. I'm not sure how to block on Discord. You just right-click a person's profile and there's ban. It's called ban or block, depending on how you've got it set up. Thank you, Vadim. Oh, that's kind. Yes, indeed. Thank you, Vadim. Right, let's get the jobs report. Oh, hello. Let me refresh that. Jobs report. Here we go.
pressure leading to fainting, and allergic reactions such as rashes, swelling under the skin, shortness of breath, and hives have been reported. The most common side effects are respiratory and urinary tract infections, headache, and injection site reactions.
We're just waiting for the jobs report. It should be out now. Here we go. Jobs reports any second now. We're waiting for it. Oh, here we go. 7.74 million. 7.74 million jobs in the United States. Job offers in the United States increased 774,000. Jobs offers, so more jobs being made available. Increased. Okay, let's see how the market reacts to that.
Global broadcast orchestrating.
There we go. Job offers in the United States increased 740,000 in January from 7,508,000 in December. Job offers in the United States averaged 5,430,000 from 2000 until 25, reaching an all-time high of 12,000 in March 2022, a record low of 2,232. All right, the market likes it.
With Leslie Picker and Michael Santoli live at Post 9 at the New York Stock Exchange. David and Sarah on assignment.
Let's go,
Bulls hoping for a Tuesday turnaround. NASDAQ trying to get to work on that, up about 0.5%. Some of the corporate guidance coming in a little bit soft, especially regarding travel, but it's not all red, and the 10-year just around 4.25.
Unfortunately, the movers we're watching this morning not experiencing that rebound. We're about 30 minutes into the trading session, and here are those movers. Dick's Sporting Goods and Kohl's under pressure after disappointing guidance from both names. Dick's down about 0.5%, Kohl's down about 15%.
Morning, Pascal.
A similar story for the airlines. Delta shares dropping after cutting its profit forecast. American also slashing guidance, and Southwest lowering its outlook and announcing plans to charge a fee for checked bags for the first time. We'll dig deeper into the airlines later this hour. And Oracle under pressure after missing earnings estimates. The company also issuing weak revenue guidance.
Talk about jobs
More on the
report.
street's
Come on, what's your reaction?
And the big tech trade coming up.
Let's get some JOLTS data just crossing the tape with Rick Santelli. Morning, Rick.
Good morning, Carl. Indeed, if you look at the markets, you're looking at interest rates at the highs of the session, and equity markets doing better. Why? Because job openings and labor turnover, known as JOLTS, comes in better than expected. January read expected to be around 7.6 million, comes at 7,740,000.
There we go.
Now, the good news is, of course, that this is a bit better sequentially than the slightly revised rear view mirror, which was 7.508 million. And that was the 4-year low in terms of the openings pace. So indeed, a bit of a bounce. We see that right now we're hovering at 423 in a 10-year. That's up a couple of basis points on the day. 390 in a 2-years, up 1 basis point. And of course, this is all after the equity markets continue to experience a significant amount of volatility based on a significant amount of uncertainty with revisions to potential tariffs of the past, how it may look in the future. Market continues to grapple with some of these details. Carl, back to you.
All right, Rick, thank you very much. Rick Santelli. Stocks, in fact, are rebounding a little bit after yesterday's drop. The Dow and the S&P with their worst day since mid-September.
Okay, so what did I say this morning? Jobs report I was happy with, and that's why I've said a bounce on Friday. But at the end of the day, the markets are wobbly on this. They're not really paying much attention to fundamentals at the moment. The fundamentals and the quality of businesses, the state of the economy is just not important. It's all about tariffs, uncertainty, and people are just done with the uncertainty and they're selling. That was an okay jobs report, as better than expected, and yet the markets are still selling. We're about to get one hell of a rally. I've made a prediction for Friday. So jobs report, there it was, as expected, slightly better than expected. We should be rallying after all this selling off, but we're not, because everyone is still uncertain. Markets are overselling now, and we're going to get one hell of a rally when we do. We very often talk about up the stairs and down the elevator, but I actually think it's going to be the reverse. Down the elevator and up the rocket. There you go. How about that for a new phrase? It's all oversold now. That was an okay jobs report, really was. Better than expected. And yet here we are again selling the market. Everything's being sold off for uncertainty. And I believe now it's just getting too much. Everyone is selling everything. And I'm buying everything. I'm buying the S&P. So there we go. A jobs report. What do you make of that? It's a good one. Nothing really there to worry about. However, everyone's selling again. No faith in the economy at all. I think that's a big mistake. I've made my prediction that we could get a rally on Friday. After CPI, PPI, of course, we've got the Michigan report. See what happens. Join us tomorrow for CPI and then PPI. I don't think you should chase the market right yet. I'm all in. I'm all in with margin. I can't wait to buy more on the 21st when I get paid on YouTube. But I can't buy anything else. I couldn't be more in. I couldn't be more bullish. And that was another reassurance there that it's coming. Will it come on Friday? Well, I wouldn't chase it yet. People are obviously, investors, not really investors at all. Traders are not interested in investing in the economy, the US economy. They're interested in just taking their money and running away. But they'll all come back. And when they do, of course, they'll be chasing the market up. And I'll already be in welcoming them back. Crazy, right? Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. There was a jobs report. We're going to go over now to, I've got a members only live stream today, so join us for that. We're doing reviews, your favorite stocks, your reviews, your questions answered, and live phone-ins. Join us for that, members only today. Over here and over here, I shall put more things that you'll find useful. That's it from me. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Coming up, the jobs report. How will the market react? Well, we shall see. Getting ready for that big rally on Friday, I predicted, after CPI, PPI, and that very political Michigan report on Friday. Don't know why they even bother doing it. It's completely political. No matter what happens, it's always rubbish because they always say whoever's in power is rubbish. So join us for that. But now over to the jobs report. 903. 903. Put that out later. 903. Jobs. Okay. Right. What we're going to do now is we are red again. Sorry, folks. I know you don't like it, but there you go. Yes, we trim the dumb money. Stacy, appreciate your time. Wakar Aslam. Globalists selling out of US markets and into others. They will be back. Could all this selling possibly be foreigners selling out the US? Yes, there's a lot of that. Yes, there's a lot of that. The jobs report isn't exactly something to celebrate over. No, but it isn't. It isn't something to be dumped either. It's it's better than expected. It shouldn't be sold again, should it? That's my point. Stat Keto. XRP Army. Hello. Right, okay. So we've now got a members only live stream. That was interesting. That was really interesting. Jobs report. I really spiked there for the jobs report. Where's that? Huh. That was interesting. I had 300 people watch me all of a sudden go up and then back down. That's really weird. Anyway. Let's have a look at that in a minute. Yeah, look at that. Got a real big spike just as the jobs report. We were at 250, went to 320. Huh. How about that? That's interesting. Right. Okay. So what we're going to do now, why do you think the market takes the Michigan report seriously? It doesn't take it seriously. It dumps it because of uncertainty. It uses it to dump it, to buy it back. It's just a bloody load of nonsense. Anyway, what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to our members-only live stream. I'm going to take a 15-minute break, and we're going to go over to a members-only live stream. I'm going to have some breakfast. I missed my breakfast this morning, so let me change this time. I'll put it to 9:30 so I can have a chance to have some breakfast. I missed it this morning. Don't want to do that, do I? 9:30. There you go. Okay. Okay, there you go. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take a short break, and I'm going to be back in 20 minutes' time for a members-only live stream doing your reviews, your stock questions, stocks that you want me to review and look at the balance sheets, look at the inside trading, seeing who's buying, who's selling, and what have you. So this live stream will take you directly to there if you are a member. If you're not, it'll take you there, but you just won't be able to watch. We have to focus on our members from time to time. And we do that more often now as we have so many members. 98% of our live viewers are members, and you want reviews done and analysis done. So that's what we're going to do. All right. So the link is in the chat. This is the event. I'll give it to you again. You either click on the pin at the top. You can click on this. You can look on the home page of the channel, or you can just wait where you are and it will stay there. If you look on the home page of the channel right now, there it is. Upcoming members only live streams. Members only. This is what's next for you. Members Week reviews. We're doing lots of members reviews this week. All right? Okay. So I'll see you all in a bit. Before we go, let's do Day Trader of the Day. And I'm down 0.59. Let's see who wins Day Trader of the Day. It's a members only competition. Here we go. Let's do it right now. I am down 0.72%. It is unfortunately moving very quickly. Let's see who wins this morning and roll the credits. Stars of our show today are subscribers. Just one subscriber today. Veronica, no super chats. Wow, that was a quiet day, wasn't it? Now, that's only the public subscribers. There are more, but that's our public subscribers. Should we have a quick look at our subscribers today? Have a quick look and show you where we are. We had 1,000 people join us for this show, 1,158, and 74,000. And there's that one subscriber. There you go. She happened to be a public subscriber as well. Wonderful stuff. If you've not yet tapped the like button, please do. And consider subscribing to our channel. We'd love to be a 100,000 subscriber channel with a nice big silver plaque on the wall, as we are now a professional channel. That'd be wonderful. Can't wait for that. All right, we're growing very, very quickly. All right, that's it. The link's in the chat. Let's see who wins today. Brian Bynum up 2.89. Up 3.3, Matt Dillon, DJ Hayes 1.64, and Jason up 0.75. The winner today is Matt Dillon. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you for your honest trades. Give them a thumbs up. We love it, loving it. We're loving it like that. Good stuff. I'm loving it. Congratulations. This is fantastic. Let me wrap up the show. That's it from me. I will see you back in about 15 minutes time for the next stream, which is our members only live stream. If you want to become a member, there is the link. If you are on an iOS device, you will need to select a browser and then a desktop version, or any other device will work fine. Any computer, any Android will work fine. iPhones work fine too, and iPads work fine. You just have to select a browser to become a member. But that's it from me. I'll see you back in about 15 minutes for more reviews, more requests, live phone-ins, and everything else that you love on the channel. I'll see you back in a few minutes. Take care of yourselves and each other.